The 5th and the 14th Amendments say that no one shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without the due process of law. The central promise of those words is an assurance at all levels of the American government must operate within the law and the bonds of this Constitution, that everybody in this chamber swears an oath to uphold the Constitution. But every single day, it just seems our president is challenging constitutional principles, pushing past constitutional boundaries. Every day we're hearing news stories of immigrants, some here legally, some awaiting trial, most charged with no crimes, being rounded up, detained, arrested, deported, often just disappeared. This is happening without charges, evidence, trials, hearings, without what the Constitution says, due process. This is what other governments done. We've talked about it in the Foreign Relations Committee. We complain about it to nations across the earth when they do not show due process, where they disappear people. Maybe you're an immigrant that's never broken the law. Maybe you're a citizen. Even if you think the administration's immigration agenda doesn't apply to you, please know that the reckless behavior we're seeing erodes all of our rights. And the American mother and the American child right now, whose husband was unjustly and illegally deported and is right now in an El Salvadorian prison, think about them. Denying due process is a slippery slope. We've seen it in other countries with democratic backsliding. It is a slippery slope. If people can be detained and deported without a hearing, detained and deported without due process, without seeing a judge, nothing will stop from slipping toward deporting others, making mistakes with an American.